Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a group on Roblox. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to create your own mini community on Roblox, then you can easily create a group on Roblox. But if you want to join into a group on Roblox, then the first thing to do is to open up your web browser and log into your Roblox account. Once you're logged into your account, from the left-hand side menu of the screen, go ahead and click on the Groups option. Once you click it on, you should see this kind of an interface. Search for the group that you'd like to join in. Groups can be a great way to join in to form your own mini community with other like-minded players on Roblox. Simply go ahead and search for the group. For example, let me type in Ninja and search. Right beneath, you'll be able to see all of the public group list based on your search. Simply go ahead and click on the group and click on Join Group in order to be a member of a particular group. Complete the verification by clicking on Verify. Pick one of the items that has been listed at the very top. You'll have to do this 2 more times and you'll be done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to join into a group on Roblox. Remember that the amount of groups a player may join in is limited to 100 groups. You can also go ahead and create up to 100 groups of your own. That was how you can easily join into a group on Roblox and start playing with your group members. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.